tell me the name of a novel that has never been written that I could just steal for a little while I get my creative juices flowing again?
The Day My Car Died.
Excuse me?
The Day My Car Died.
The Day My Car Died. That is far superior to anything that I've been working on lately. The Day My Car Died. Now, what I like to do here is, when we're not working, I try to get some of the idiots to help me, act out the story as I'm working through it, and I can sort of see how it works and doesn't work. So I'm just going to, while they're getting ready for the next scene, I'm just going to kind of play with this. The day my car died. The day my car died. Yeah, I can go with that. I can do that. The day my car died. If you take 64 East, you leave Raleigh, and you wind up in the beautiful metropolis of Zebulon. My Uncle Cletus lives there with my step-aunt Griselda. I love them. They're happy all the time.
Hey, Cletus!
Griselda.
I just got some clean underwear on. It's so exciting.
That's amazing.
I bought you some too. It's a Speedo.
That is precious. But Uncle Cletus had a surprise of his own. He had found, for the first time in his life, enough cash to put down a down payment. That's redundant. To make a down payment on a car.
Let me just reach down here in my sock and see what oh my God! This is all the money that we had in the bank, and now it's going to go towards a brand new Jetta.
Let's go to Armax.
Armax wasn't too far away, so they jogged there. They arrived out of breath and a little irritated with one another.
It was slow.
You were pulling my arm too hard. There's a red mark.
But the sales guy at the Armax was a little sneaky. A little sneaky.
Next time when I tell you to run, you run faster. You don't like that chicken station you
Welcome to Armax. I suppose you'd like to use this as a down payment on a car. Come right this way.
All right, he can read our minds.
That's true. The sales guy could read their minds.
So I'm thinking you folks would probably like to waste this money on a Jetta when I can get you something really sweet.
Did he say waste?
Wow, he thinks I want to buy a jet. I'm not that rich.
Stream of consciousness. I'm still working on stream of consciousness. I'm not sure, and I gotta work on that.
We don't want to waste our money. We want to spend it.
Oh, yeah. Well, if you want to spend it on a good car, I'd like to point you over here to this Geo Prism.
And the deal was done. The deal was done. Hands were shaken. Money was exchanged. Thoughts were read. And the car was ours.
Okay, I'm going first. Is this the driver's side?
And now, Griselda's long-lost secret came out. She's always been really bad at... She's always been really bad at standing up straight and talking at the same time.
Woo! Here I go. Okay, I'm much better now.
Suddenly a tree leaped in front of them. And Uncle Cletus's great weakness came up. It turns out he's an idiot.
You son of a gun! Oh, Griselda, I am suing that man for all the money our Geo Prism is worth.
He looks kind of tough.
Not tougher than me.
Oh,
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
You and me, tall
please.
boy.
Last time you got in a fight, we had no more teeth left.
This time's different. I don't have any teeth to start with.
She pulled him off the tree.
Whoa!
He fought her like a tiger.
No, let me at him. I'm gonna take him down. I'm gonna kick his behind. Rah!
continued and got a little bit balletic. Suddenly, tragedy ensued, and Cletus's old plate and Griselda's old playground injury kicked in.
Griselda, honey, speak to me. Can you hear me?
She said. She repeated.
My Achilles heel. It's a killing me.
Oh my God.
She was a scholar of the classics. As the sun set on the horizon, symbolic of time itself and the fading light of our lives, they clutched one another for a final tearful farewell before her Achilles heel that was a-killing her took her away forever.
I'm gonna miss you, Cletus.
And Cletus offered the most beautiful speech ever written in Zebulun.
I'm gonna miss the way you bring wings out to me and my friends when we're watching football games.
Oh, pitter patter. Oh, I gotta go now.
And she died. And Cletus was heard to say on that legendary day when my car died, that they bequeathed to me earlier, I just mentioned that, when their car died.
I need to go down to the diner and hit on that really hot waitress.
I'm working on it.
You must be some kind of idiot, some kind of idiot, some kind of idiot.